What's up, Meadowbrook? Are you ready for the final Meadowbrook Minute of the year? I'm Andrew.
And I'm Ravi. Just like our anchors last week, I am reporting from my bedroom. These past weeks have brought so much joy to our community. Here's an excerpt of the first grade Children of the World Assembly.
Hello, bonjour, buenos dias. Good day, guten tag, konnichiwa. Ciao, shalom, dobra dzień. Hello to all the children of the world. We live in different places from all around the world. We speak in many different ways. Now some things might be different. We're children just the same, and we all like to sing and play.
Hi, my name is Hattie, and I chose to study about Colombia.
Hi, my name is Weston, and I decided to study about the country Scotland.
Hi, my name is Vanessa, and I chose to study about the country of Egypt.
Americanos, we sing our nation's near and far. Sing cantamos, Americanos. Every song is a part of who we are.
Wow, first grade, you all have done such great work with your assembly.
For our last mystery faculty member, we have this picture. Does anyone want to hear a joke?
Sure.
What did one traffic light say to another?
I'm not sure.
Stop looking, I'm changing.
I love that joke, Andrew. You really made me laugh. Shout out to 7th grader Bella for that joke. Now, checking in on our lower school friends, we have 7th grader Emily with the video about what lower school have been doing at home.
At home, over online learning, and over quarantine, I've been doing a lot more reading than I usually have.
I am making pineapple upside-down cupcakes with my sister. Thank you!
One thing I enjoy during these quarantine times is doing more workouts.
Hello everybody! My activity I'm going to do is playing the ukulele! I learned that song on my own. Now, if you didn't know the song, it was Lullaby. Thanks for watching! Bye-bye!
Wow, you lower schoolers have been doing so many cool things.
Do any middle schoolers remember swapping book suggestions at middle school meeting last year? Well, last Thursday, our middle schoolers had a virtual book swap over Zoom. It was so much fun.
I know I had a blast and definitely plan on reading some of those great book suggestions. Even if you aren't in middle school, reach out to your friends and get some good book recommendations for the summer.
Now it's time for our faculty pets segment. This week we have Miss Campbell's two cats, Luna and Nala. This week we will also show Miss Lee's dog, Teddy.
For our final interview, we have our producers, Emily and Genevieve, checking up on Mr. Grover. Take a look.
Okay, it's recording.
How have things been going? How's distance learning been?
I have to say, I have been overwhelmed by how hard everyone's working to look out for each other. I feel like we had to turn it on overnight. The teachers, spent their spring break trying to figure it out. Students had to get just a few days of notice of all the places they had to go, programs they had to have, new ways of doing homework, new schedules, and everyone just leapt in. So I feel like it's going amazing in that regard.
Our next question is what have you been doing at home to keep busy?
Well, trying to run a school from a distance has definitely kept me busy. So that's been one major thing. I've got 2 little 5-year-olds, 2 Meadowbrook JKers at home, and I usually do lunch and PE with them in the middle of the day. So that's definitely keeping me busy and healthy, which is good because Mr. Snoddy and Mrs. Graham and Mr. Gabbs have awesome workouts, and so I've been trying to sometimes do those along with the kids.
Nice. Is there anything that you're really missing from Meadowbrook right now?
Just people. I gotta say, I'm on the car line usually at 7:30 in the morning, and getting to see everybody every day, getting high fives and hugs. I'm really, really missing that. I mean, I love my family and I get lots of hugs and high fives at home, but I could use a few more. So that's one I'm really missing.
What are you looking forward to going back to at school?
I'm looking forward to just being able to walk down the hallway and see both of you and, jump into a class.
Do you have any tips for Meadowbrook students to stay connected?
Yeah, I think one thing I've noticed is when you get on a Zoom call, especially if it's a bunch of people, a lot of times folks are just quiet, waiting for something important to be said. But if we could have some lighter touch conversations, I know some middle schoolers are doing lunch together, which I thought was really cool. Just having some lighter conversations, that really makes our community kind of have this invisible string stitched together.
I think that's it.
Thank you so much for sharing, Mr. Grover. We really appreciate you updating us on how you have been.
You all may remember that 7th grader Leo started a read aloud to our lower school friends. I'm happy to tell you all that has been going very well. Swing by and check it out.
Hey, Ravi, I have a theory on inertia.
Oh, really? That's awesome, Andrew.
Yeah, but it's not going anywhere.
Haha, you really got me on that one. Shout out to 7th grader Isabel for that joke. And a special shout out to the science department for teaching us all about physics. We have a few birthdays to celebrate in our community this week. Happy birthday, everybody.
Now, for the reveal of our mystery faculty photo. Drum roll, please.
Miss Graham.
Miss Graham.
Just so all of you trusty viewers know, this was our last broadcast for the year. Those who worked behind the scene and on the camera are so grateful to you guys who are watching this. We can't wait to be back next year and bring you more Meadowbrook Minutes. Reporting from the Meadowbrook Minute, I'm Ravi.
And I'm Andrew. Thanks for watching, everybody. Stay safe at home and enjoy your summer.